How to hide apps from the app drawer on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make apps disappear from your home screen and app drawer without uninstalling them. First, long press on any empty space on your home screen until the options pop up at the bottom. From there, tap Settings. After that, scroll down and tap Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. At this point, you'll see a full list of every app installed on your device. From here, tap on whichever apps you want to hide and they'll be marked for hiding straight away. Following this, if you have a lot of apps, use the search bar at the top to find specific ones faster instead of scrolling through the whole list. After that, once you've selected everything you want hidden, tap Done to confirm, and those apps will disappear from both your home screen and app drawer. From here, keep in mind that hidden apps are still installed on your device and can still send notifications. They're just out of sight. Finally, if you ever want to unhide an app, just follow the same steps. Go back into Hide Apps on Home and App Screens, tap the app again to deselect it, and tap Done to bring it back. That's how you hide apps from the app drawer on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!